Hey judges, my name is Genice Gonzales. I am the owner of Amora Studios in Santa Fe Springs, California, and this is my acne case study for 2025. My model's name is Carla. Her skin is a Fitzpatrick 3. She has a grade 3 to 4 acne with some pustules, papules, open and closed comedones, and some cystic acne lesions as well. For her case study, we are going to focus on soothing that inflammation, rebuilding the structure of her skin, and helping with her barrier health as she has some dry skin and erythema due to the poor barrier health and from the structure being damaged from all the flare-ups over the past years. And we are also going to promote a lot of her skin's natural healing processes while relying on actives that are gentle but will help with cell turnover to help clear out her pores. We will need to take into consideration that she needs some sensory accommodation, so we will be sensory safe in her protocol as well as managing her low pain tolerance. So avoiding extractions as much as possible and making sure that we can keep her comfortable. We'll also be incorporating an herbal remedy to help with the stress as she has a high stress job, a high stress lifestyle, and we want to definitely help her with that as well. So we're going to include things like hypochlorous spray secretomes. We're going to include some oxygen, mandelic acid, and we are also going to include a few modalities to help her skin along the way.